Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. So today I'm going to show you 5 DIY face packs recipe. Yes, you heard it right. It's not 1, 2 or 3. It will be 5 recipe. No matter what kind of skin you have, oily, dry, combination, mature, this video is for you. And if you have skin concerns like pigmentation, suntan, acne, dry skin, oily skin, wrinkle, you need to watch this video as well. So before we start the video, can you please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And without further ado, let's get started. Recipe number 1. First you will need red lentils powder, which is Mushur Dal Gura. Then you will need coconut water. Yes, mine is a packed coconut water, but if you have a fresh coconut water, please use the fresh one. So first in a bowl, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red lentil powder. You can blend your red lentils and make a powder, or you can buy the powder from a supermarket if you want. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut water and I'm mixing it together. So this face pack is perfect for oily to combination skin tone. It will reduce oiliness and it will mattify your skin. This face pack is very good for summertime. You can use this pack 2 or 3 times, and I'm applying this mask all over my face with the help of a foundation brush. I know the struggle of oily skin, and this face pack was my most favorite face pack when I was living in Bangladesh. This pack will also remove any kind of dead cell and it will make your face smooth and matte. And after 20 minutes, I'm going to wash this face pack with lukewarm water, and you don't need to use any face wash for this one. Recipe number 2. First you will need rice flour ba chaler gura. You can blend your rice and make it a powder. Then you will need milk. Try to use whole milk, which is the full fat one. Then again in a clear bowl, I am adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of milk. And then I will mix this together and your second pack is ready. This face pack is perfect for all types of skin. No matter what type of skin you have, oily, combination, dry, you can use this pack. And this pack will brighten up your skin and remove suntan, and it will also remove any kind of spots. You can apply this face pack once in a week. With the help of a foundation brush, I'm applying this mask all over my face, and this face pack has another benefit. You can use this pack on your other body parts as well, like your neck, your legs or your hands. This pack is very good exfoliator as well. So it will remove dead cell from your face and it will make your skin very smooth. And after 20 minutes, I am going to wash this face pack with a face wash. Recipe number 3. First, you will need yogurt. Here I am using Greek style yogurt, but you can use homemade yogurt or any yogurt of your choice. And then I am taking sandalwood powder. I bought my sandalwood powder from Amazon. Then you will need turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is a miracle for skin. For this pack, you will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. And then I'm mixing this together. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of yogurt, mixing them very well until it become a thick paste. I'm really sorry, I have lost the footage where I was applying my face pack, but yeah, here it is. I have also applied this face pack on my lips. Okay, so this face pack is perfect for any types of skin. And this pack will remove pigmentation, it will remove suntan, any kind of spot, and this pack is perfect for to be bride. So if you are getting married in 1 or 2 months, start using this pack, and you need to use this pack once in a week. So after 20 minutes you can see the pack is drying, and then you have to wash this pack with lukewarm water. You can see the difference just after the first application, so keep using this regularly. You can use face wash if you want. Recipe number 4. This one is a very important face pack. First you will need apple cider vinegar. Then you will need any kind of clay. Here I am using bentonite clay. You can use Fuller Earth, which is multani matti, or you can use any kind of clay. And then you will need green tea powder, which is called matcha powder. If you don't have any matcha powder or green tea powder, you can just use regular green tea bag. First I'm taking 1 tablespoon of clay, then a half tablespoon of matcha green tea powder, then I'm mixing them together, and then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then mixing it together. I'm adding 1 more tablespoon of vinegar here, so it will become a thick paste. This face pack is perfect for acne prone skin or those who have lots of acne or acne spots, and it will remove acne, any kind of spot, and this pack is great for summer, and you can use this face pack twice a week. And here again with a foundation brush I'm applying this mask all over on my face, including my neck. So after 20 minutes it will look something like this, and now I'm going to wash my pack with lukewarm water, but you can use face wash if you want. Whenever I get acne on my face, I just use this face pack, nothing else. And recipe number 5, this one is my current favorite, and this pack is perfect for anyone who has mature skin. So first you will need egg white. Remember, 1 egg white. Do not use the whole egg, otherwise your face pack going to smell really bad. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar in egg white, and now I am going to beat my egg white. You can use electric beater if you have one, but here I am just using a fork. It will be quite an exercise, I must say. So after 3 to 4 minutes it will look like this. You can see the foam, and yeah, it will look like a bubble mask. So yeah, you don't need to buy expensive bubble mask anymore. You can make this at your home, right? And now I'm going to apply this all over on my face, and this face pack is perfect for all types of skin, and if your age is 20 or 20 plus, you can start using this face pack. This will reduce any kind of wrinkles or any sign of premature aging, and it will also remove excess oil from your face and dead cells, and this pack will hydrate your skin. You can use this pack 2 times a week. It will be a good exercise, trust me. And don't forget your under eye area while you are applying this face pack. So you just have to wait for 10 minutes when you are applying this mask. And yeah, I was like trying to unlock my iPhone X. And yeah, it didn't unlock. Oh my god, it didn't open. Yeah, see, my iPhone X actually didn't recognize me. I mean, like with this mask. So anyway, after 10 minutes I'm going to massaging this face pack on my face so I can get the maximum benefit. So after like 2 to 3 minutes it will look like this, and then you need to wash your mask with a face pack. Here I am done. You can feel your soft and silky skin after apply this mask. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to follow me all of my social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and especially on Snapchat, because I'm very active on Snapchat. And see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye.